Chapter 2 The Sad Guys. Meanwhile, Super Buddies! We're busting up crime in your neighborhood. Super Buddies! We ain't too perfect, but we're awfully good. Super Buddies, here we come. Evil doers better run. We fight for freedom, that's our duty. So everybody shake your booty. Oh, baby, 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 see? Shake your big, big booty. Now. Oh, hi ADHD. I just made some adjustments to my kitty scooter. Now it's a cat hog. What have you been working on? Did you finally finish building that supercomputer? Ah, cool. You did it. Sweet. Hey, Pewter. What's up? You have one new message. Hey, it's from my papa. It says, Dear little Peony, I'm sorry I can't see you today. I'm a bad kitty. You'll be best. Come on, ADHD. Papa needs our help. No, he's not hurt. It's worse. He's discouraged. Meanwhile, gee, thanks, Yole. We can't wait. Bye-bye. Well, Dogman, it all worked out. Yole says she'll send us 20 new tickets. She said the movie will be animated with clay. What? You never heard of claymation? Come on, I'll teach you about it. First, you get some clay, then you move it around till you make a little figure. And then you set it down and take a photo of it. Let me turn on my camera and... Hey! Where'd it go? Guess I'll have to make a new one. Okay, you just take a picture of the... Hey! It's a mystery. Let's try this again. Okay. Okay, so get your camera on. Hey! Meanwhile, hi Petey, what's you doing? Nothing. Hey, you're not building a giant robotic bumblebee, are you? No? Oh good, that's a relief. Well, come with me, you got visitors. Who? A kitten and a robot shaped like a bowling ball. Aw, man. And so. Hey, kid. What's wrong, Papa? Look, kid. I just can't do it. I can't be good. I tried. I really tried. But I'm a bad cat. Papa, you can't give up so easy. Look, you're just a kid. You don't understand. Some folks are good like you. And some folks are bad, like me. It's pointless to try to change. It's pointless to give up, Papa. Papa? Goodbye, kid. Papa, no. Take him home, ADHD. This is for the best kid. Papa, no. Take him home, ADHD. Papa. Papa! And so... Meanwhile, alright, for the 11th time, you put the clay guy here, then you take a picture of it. Oh! What do you have to say for yourself? Get out of here now! Hey, Dogman. Did you have a sad day too? Don't worry. At least things can't get any worse. End of chapter 2.